Welcome to the final video. I wanted to go over a few tips and tricks to ensure that you get the best cut or engraved piece. If the machine beeps and says done without running your job, check your line thickness setting. Remember that to cut, it should be set to hairline. The machine has protection against incorrect settings and will stop if it's incorrectly configured. The next tip is to tape down thin material with masking tape to hold it in place. Remember that you can tape to the rulers in the bed. As we discussed during our practice cut, remove the pieces using the finger tape method. Try not to move the material before you know for sure that it has cut all the way through. It's very difficult to line up the material once again if you need to redo the cut. The next tip is to not design to the edge of the drawing space in CorelDRAW. Leave at least 1/8 inch of space. Finally, engrave images in grayscale, not color. And finally, a few rules on how to not break the machines. Please be careful as they can be dangerous. The first is to never operate the machine unattended. If you come across a job that is running on a laser cutter, please abort it. We also ask that others do the same for your job if you leave it unattended. The next is to always keep the area around the machine free of clutter, combustible materials, explosives, or volatile solvents such as acetone, alcohol, or gasoline. Remember that the laser cutter can cause a fire. Finally, clean up shavings before and after you use the laser cutter. Thank you for joining me today to learn about the mini laser cutters. Today we talked about the process to create a model we want to laser cut. For example, something that we created in CAD. We discussed additional places to find models to laser cut. We practiced converting our files into types that the laser cutter can read, and practiced setting up CorelDRAW and selecting proper laser cutter settings. Finally, we discussed sending that file to the machine and completing our job. Thanks again for joining. Looking forward to seeing you.